Alright guys, it's now Saturday. And you might be wondering, I don't see the river, I don't see Pub Street, I don't see any markets, so what in the heck are you doing? That is a good question, and one I wish I could answer. I'm actually in the countryside of Siem Reap. It's according to my Google Maps, it would be like an hour and 20-minute walk. Of course, we took the Pass app. We were eating a bowl of noodles, and Sangalai got a phone call. I guess her sister or her daughter, one of the two, from what I can gather, is over here visiting some other relatives. You see them right there, up there by the house. And she took a big rice sack, filled it up with clothes she wasn't wearing, to give to her sister, I think, is what's happening, from what I could gather from the conversation. But, so she said, let's go. She made me wear the good clothes because I'm meeting part of her family, so I guess that's the thing. I don't know. She made me wear the pants and the shirt that she got me, which I didn't want to do because it's hot, and I like my t-shirts, but still can't complain. Well, I can, and I just did, but I don't like to, so I won't. Anyway, I just thought, since I'm here, you don't get to see much of the countryside in my videos, so I thought I would just show you around a little bit. To me, I like the country. It's nice, it's peaceful, it's quiet, it's very simple living. You will see no tourists. You'll see no other foreigners, which is always a good thing. No hustle and bustle, which is sometimes a good thing from the constant hustle and bustle of the city. But as you can see, I'm roaming back and forth trying to find things to show you that would be interesting, and really it's just open fields and buildings and very, very kidney busting dirt roads to get here, and that it was whoa, that was pretty rough. Guess I can go over here. I'm between, actually, according to Google Maps, I'm between the airport and Angkor Wat, but much closer to Angkor Wat. I'm not like right in between, but if you go in one direction, you'll get to Angkor Wat. Go in the other direction, you'll get to the airport, but I am way closer to Angkor Wat. So it's a ways out there. Like I said, it's about an hour and 20-minute walk, and also a very long ride. I was going to go down that other way, but I see that's just simply in front of somebody else's house, and I don't know how they would feel about me coming out here and trying to film them. But anyway, yes, somebody said I should invest in a gimbal, make my videos a little less shaky, a little more solid, and I agree with that 100%. Right now I'm just trying to not spending any unnecessary money, well, except for, I guess, you, depending on how you look at it, you could call this unnecessary money, because it's like that's a long tuk-tuk ride, even on a Pass app. It's like $3.75, and that would be each way. And now we still got to go back. So, but as soon as I get my next teaching gig, a couple paychecks down, I'll think about investing. That's a big dog there, and he's laying right in the middle of the path. I don't think I should mess with him. But I did want to show you this house. It looks like well, I was going to say it appears to be abandoned. Doesn't seem to be kept up, but in this part of the countryside, that doesn't mean anything. That could just be a regular house. Now there are a couple markets around here, but they're all at quite a distance. It would be quite a distance to walk to any of them. I actually wanted to stop at the one we passed right by, because it was smaller, but they seem to have a lot of vendors, and I wanted to stop and check it out. But Single I wanted to get here and do whatever it is she needs to do. We're waiting here now. Obviously going to take the pass that back, but I don't know. I'm not sure the relationships between all these people and who we're waiting for or anything else. I'm completely lost. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. This is my Saturday, and later on I'm sure we'll get up to some other stuff. It's probably, I'm guessing about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 3, yeah, probably closer to 3. I think we were eating at about 2 when she got the phone call, so, and I went home and had to take a shower and everything. So that's what I'm up to today. I hope you enjoy the nice, peaceful, quiet countryside. You don't get to see it that much because I live in the city, of course, but it's very still here. As you can see, a very nice day. Yeah. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, guys, before we go, I just wanted to show you this. If you can see it, there it is. Right there. They have hot air balloon rides over Angkor Wat for a certain price. That is one of them. That's how close I am. Ooh. Okay, there we go. It's not so shaky now. So I guess we're going home now. And I just thought I'd give you one last look around the homestead, the neighborhood, if you will. Looks like it might rain later, but right now it's pretty nice still. Yeah, not bad. Some stuff you never got to see before. Might not be as exciting, but it is a different part of Siem Reap that I don't get too much, so thought you might be interested. Talk to you later. All right, it is now Monday afternoon. Just got back from sitting down by the river. I didn't really have a good way to end that video. I didn't want to be rude and just film the whole time while we were in the countryside. So I figured I'd wait until something exciting happened, but that doesn't seem to be the case. It's just kind of a lazy day here. It's, not much happening. The river was really nice. Loving the breeze. And now we're just gonna stop and get some something to eat. And then really no plans after that. Nothing solid. I did apply at a couple more schools that were advertising on Facebook. So I emailed them my CV and cover letter. There's 3 more I'm gonna go visit tomorrow. So the search continues. Anyway, I know this isn't a long video, but otherwise I probably won't even upload that footage if I don't do it now. So we're gonna sit here and get something to eat at a very good noodle shop right here on my road, Street 20. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the next one.